I'll tell you about our national sales program. Okay, so see one in a snapshot. We are the leading and the largest fuel independent fuel company in the Philippines with 6.9% market share according to the Department of Energy. When we say the independent, we're outside the big three. Would be Petrol, Caltex, and Shell. So we are the fourth largest and the leading independent fuel company in the Philippines. We have the fastest growing fuel company with over 47% per annum increase in the past 3 years. We are ranked number 53rd in the top 1,000 corporations of the Philippines according to the Business World Rankings, top 1,000 listed lab. We have over 400 fuel stations nationwide. So, nagtatayo po kami ng maraming stations. So, hopefully, in the coming years, we'll have more stations to cater yung mga motorists po natin. We have 12 strategically located depots, including 8 import terminals. Ito po yung can actually receive mga MR-sized vessels, malalaking barko na nagdadala ng mga fuels. And of course, we sold over almost 1.6 billion liters last year. Okay, marami yun. Okay, in terms of the milestone, we were the first independent fuel company to open after the regulation of the oil industry. Kami po yung unang-unang independent fuel company in 1998. And in 2002, we introduced the first Clean Air Act compliant unleaded gasoline. So medyo bata po tayo lahat dito, no? Used to be our fuels, meron po siyang lead. Until naging unleaded na po siya. So we were the first to introduce that Clean Air Act compliant fuel. And in 2003, yung diesel naman, another Clean Air Act compliant diesel, ang nag-pioneer po nun is Seaboil. Okay? And in 2005, we launched BioExceed ahead of the Biofuels Act of 2016 with the blend po siya ng cocoa methyl ester. Ito yung cocoa biodiesel sa fuel natin. Ahead of the mandate, we were the first to launch it in 2005. And we pioneered the selling of ethanol blended fuels in the country. That same year in 2005. In 2008, we developed and sell E85 fuel. Ito yung combination na 85% na ethanol and 15% na gasoline. And we offered the industry's first ever fuel prepaid card that allowed customers to lock in fuel price. If you remember guys, noong 2008, 2009, sobrang umabot yung presyo ng gasoline up to 50, 60 pesos, something like that. So we developed a product called Price Lock that nag-ibenta kami ng 20 liters for the price of mas mura doon. So kung tumas yung fuel, papagas nyo is the 20 liters. Nakalock na yung price niya. It's a prepaid card. Ganun yung ano niya. But I think we can do that pag tumas ulit yung fuels natin, prices ng fuels in the Philippines. Alright, in 2009, we launched Extreme 97, the highest octane fuel that time. Kami po yun nag-pioneer ng 97 octane in the Philippines bago magsisulpuran ng ating mga friendly competitors. And in 2013, we partnered with the international brand STP para i-blend po sa fuels namin. If you're familiar, STP is a racing brand in the US, no? O, si Ding is from the car industry clubs, no? So, andito siya. Alright. Just this year, we launched our product quality campaign. Of course, with the celebrity racer, si RC Munoz. This is really a risk for us to do because this is a blind test, no? Kumuha lang kami ng mga random na mga motorists and then pinatry namin yung fuel. But apparently, lahat sila nagustuhan at nagandahan yung ang fuel quality namin. So, because of the 3 reasons kung bakit ginawa namin yung blind test na yan. Because we want to communicate that our fuels are imported from the world's best refineries. Yan yung 3 reasons to believe namin. Our fuels are tested at least 3 times daily at our station. And of course, blended with STP additives for better engine performance. So ang battle cry mo namin dyan is that we're imported, swabe ang takbo, sea oil fuel yan. So that's something that we launched this year, no, in January. So, what's next for us? After launching our product quality campaign, we will have our national sales promo starting next week, August 14 to November